Hi guys, Rick Damuth. That'd be me here in Cowtown USA, southwest of St. Louis, Missouri on Interstate 44 in a place called Cowtown USA in Cuba, Missouri. Have you ever heard of us? We've been here 35 years. Surely we're a household name by now. Anyway, I'm excited. Got a nice offering here for you today. 8 wide, about a 14-foot short wall, mid-tack, place to haul your dogs if you want to haul your dogs, or I guess you could take the kennels out and shut up, Rick. Haul whatever. It's a 3-horse Mangers, serviced and ready to go. It's got a generator with it, power jack, extra large propane tank, dual dual awnings, 14 ply radial tires. Again, serviced. Uh, Pack the bearings, put new seals, brakes, it all works. Again, dual awnings. Now, your place right here, this piece goes on the side as a table. Let me get it out of the way here. It got a place to put a dog low and high on both sides, and they actually open into the camper. So that'd be something. I think it'd make a great field trial trailer. All right, we'll come back here. Got a rear ramp on it. Collapsible rear tack. Swing out saddle racks. Your double walled, rubber lined, aluminum floor. Fully insulated ceiling. Got your pass through door. Let me show you this too. Okay, look at this one. A full stud divider. I think it'd make a great field trial trailer. If you want to put your dogs in here, you could do that as well. Haul a couple of horses here behind. It appears to be 7'6" tall. Most of these trailers are 7 tall, so it's 7'6", so even better yet. Got a rear ramp on it. Again, swing out saddle racks, collapsible rear tack. More storage. It runs all the way through underneath both these doors. Okay, a step here, pass through door, load light there above your head, John. Got your, it says 50 amp here on your Onan generator. Okay. All right, let's go around to the inside. Got your slide out too. Carry your water from home, your power jack. I'm just full of information. Full of information. Got 2 steps here on the side of it. Camper door screen. All right, let's walk in here. All right, got you on the inside here. You see your slide out. Couch is going to make into a bed. You have storage behind this couch. You've got a table that sits here on the floor right here. You have the day and night shades, which are really, really nice, guys. In the evening time, pull that down. That's about a $400 upgrade. Soft valances all the way around. Your big fridge, so you got a freezer here, fridge on the bottom, propane or electric stove, dual sinks, microwave, backup heat besides the furnace. You have your fireplace in here. I mean, it's big enough here. It's even a dance floor. You could hit a lick or two in this, I guess. I have to be completely honest, though. This is fake rock. This is not real rock. I'd want you to know that. I wouldn't want you to drive down here from British Columbia and get down here thinking this is real rock. It is not. Okay. Now we got over here, John. Okay, if you want the shelves out, you can take them out. It has a hanging rod here. Furnace is controlled here. I really like this. I've not seen this. Oh, fell apart. I've not seen this, guys. Got a nice set of steps here. Easy in, easy out of your bed. What we got here? Got storage here. Storage all the way around. Check on this side. More storage here. And again, storage all the way around. Stereo system set up here. Okay, we talked about the kennels back here. Okay, come on back in here, John. We'll talk about it. Okay, you got nice frosted glass here. Shower with a skylight above it. Give you a little more headroom. Place for your foldables. More place for your foldables. Stool here. Glass bowl. This is pretty cool. All right. Now what do we got? Okay. Hanging closet and a shelf above it. More storage down here. Let's see. I believe that's just a good storage box there. All right. Now you come in here. Got a pass-through door here. Okay, let's just work on this one side. Okay. Got a place here. Dogs here. Dog here. Pretty big boxes. All right, let's look over here behind the door. Same deal, guys. Well, you actually got one set of boxes here. Yeah, one set of boxes here. So that's kind of the way this is set up. I mean, I've just seen guys that like to hunt with their dogs and their horses, or field trials, or whatever you want to do with it. It's set up, ready to go. I don't want to sit here and tell you that I think it is the finest trailer I was ever in, but it ain't $100,000 neither. It's set up, ready to go again with generator, power jack, 7'6" tall, big set of steps here, a lot of room over the top for you to set up in the bed. Couch makes into a bed, fireplace, stove, microwave, big fridge. I don't know what else to tell you. 14-ply radial tires. It's ready to go. Give us a call here at Cowtown, 573-885-6300, 573-885-6300. Go on the website, CowtownUSAINC.com, CowtownUSAINC.com. And if there's something about this trailer that you haven't seen that would like to see, let us know. We can take our phone out there and take pictures and videos of it and send it directly to you. Thank you guys very much. I got Teresa and Danny McClure here with me today. And first off, I want to tell you thank you guys. We met a few days ago. I really feel like you guys are going to be close. Just really good friends, and I want to tell you thank you from the beginning to the end of this. Were you treated fair?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Honestly?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yep, you've been great.
Would you recommend me?
Oh, you know we're going to.
Now, when somebody does that, I do my happy dance. I have to meditate now. I do one leg at a time. You ought to see me when I'm really happy.
Oh, I
bet. I appreciate you guys very much. You could have went anywhere to bought a trailer. There's lots of dealers in this nation, but you chose Cowtown, and I tell you, I'm very, very grateful.
We've been really happy with the way you treated us.
Well,
yeah, you've been gracious on the phone, and you weren't pushy, and very nice. And good to meet you and good visiting with you today.
Well, thank you guys.